I said Funny World has some unique rides. And this may not be one of the uniquest here, but it's probably the most funny. Here's why. Almost got wet there myself. And yeah, it literally takes you up a backwards lift hill, drops you, and then launches you off like the tiniest hump I have ever seen. And that's just for wonders of Funny World, isn't it? Everything's funny. So let's go on this amazing beast and see what it's like. So these are self-operated rides, and yeah, as you can see, you literally self-operate them. There's a massive control panel here. It's not massive, it only has one button, but yeah, you do self-operate them.
You got the rope?
Yep.
Cool, let's press the button.
Bye. I'm still scared of this ride because all I have is this ball holding me in. But yeah, it drops, gets to the end and throws you off a tiny bit of rail. And it does have a retractor. Here we go! That is ridiculous. I have come off this ride many times, and as you can see, it's very fun but very scary at the same time. You get loads of airtime, even if you're holding on. But if you have your hands up, yeah, I don't think we should talk about how much airtime you get, because like hands up, there's like literally nothing holding you in but a bar, and that's it. So if you have your hands up, you're just like flying. You go flying and then get wet at the end. It can be very refreshing on hot days and also very scary. So it's a good fright and a way to cool down. So yeah, I definitely recommend this because this is the funny of Funny World.